Welcome to Rested and Restored Auto Sales today. Today we got a 1958 GMC 9320. This truck was in a little bit of a mishap on the side. A combine ran into it. But I do supply a whole nother cab just because. Rear fenders on it are pretty nice. It does have a whole nice tailgate and a really nice door. Also, the cab has got a really nice floor. It will need new cab corners though. Really nice. The fenders are all pretty nice in this, to be honest. I haven't took anything out. Full dash, everything there. Full option. The engine is in it. And it does turn by hand. See, it's turning. Good compression. So overall, pretty solid truck. It looks really good from this side. Thanks again, and make sure you like and subscribe.